Mr. Seller explained to me that there's a problem with this immobilizer. The immobilizer goes into this keyhole. With it out, the car won't start. And with it in, the car's supposed to start. And the mechanic couldn't figure out how to remove it from the car. There's a little clicking sound. That's it trying to get the power over to the ignition. And it looks like 10mm screws. Here's one over here. And one here. If I want to get that out, I probably should remove these. There we go. Okay. Now remember, the green one is the hood. This yellow one belongs to the gas. Oh yeah, look at that. Gotta love the way these people just like drill random holes to try to put things in. Now what I'm looking for is, where does this cord run? And it runs up here. You can see this cable. This cable runs up here into this thing here. So my next step is to cut this off and pull this out. Oh cool, we have a fuse, a 5-amp fuse, and here's the cutoffs. 1, 2, and here's the whole box. So the box is just dangling up in there. So if I follow this wire here to here, over on this side, looks like this one was tapped into and this one was tapped into. So these two go together. That'll be a bypass. So I just need to rewire these two together. And this one is just a nice clip-in. That's pretty, this is a good job when it's just clipped in, because all you have to do is unplug it to power it. So it looks like just these 2 kill wires, it interrupted the signal, and then this wire here powered it. This yellow wire was the power. So we have the power wire here, auxiliary amp wire here. It comes into this harness. This is like an ignition control module here. So all I need to do is unplug this one. Or I could leave it plugged in, it doesn't matter. This one doesn't do anything. This is a great way though, I can tap into the power if I ever need a non-battery source. Well done, installer. Okay, got the red. I got a yellow. Now maybe if I just jump this, I can create a little blade jumper. Let's give that a try. I want to jump it to make sure that this is the right one. So let's just do a straight jump. Sticking the key in. Cool. That looks like it works. And that is the right one. The key is out. I can remove this entire unit. Good riddance. Let's get this ground cable off. Yay, this thing is done. What is all this extra? Toyota security? Well, that was easy enough. That's not just as easy, but not that hard. So close. Okay. Let me just take this little thing. I think that was much nicer. Let's test it one more time. Awesome. Immobilizer removed.